What types of boundaries can someone determine when being an assertive parent?
When you want to talk about boundaries, you don't want to overdo it. Pick and choose what's important to you. Also, maybe something that triggers you as a parent. You might have boundaries for sleep time, boundaries for screen time, for family time, for shopping. So those are your own family values and beliefs that exist in your home. Normally, you don't want to put more than 5 rules for the boundaries that you set up. You don't want it to be too wordy. You don't want it to be long. You just want it to be precise. The value is that everybody needs to wait for a meal to be served as a family? Is the boundary that they have to clean their own plates? So if that's a boundary you have, that's a rule you have, that goes in your boundaries. Make it short and sweet. So it really depends per family, per household. What are your family values and beliefs? And based on those, that's what you're going to be making those.
Right.